Hey guys, hope you are having an amazing day. Well, most of you must be already aware of the popularity of Northeast Indian style pork pickles, and with very little effort you can easily prepare them at home. So today we are going to prepare Naga style pork pickle with ghost chilies. For this pickle we need pork, salt, oil, coarsely chopped ginger, garlic, red chili flakes, Sichuan pepper powder and ghost chilies. Now let's start cooking. First of all, take a pressure cooker and add the pork pieces with very little water and give it a couple of whistles. Turn off the heat and let it cool. Drain the water and chop the meat into small pieces of desired shape. Now heat oil in a pan. Once hot, add your coarsely chopped garlic and ginger. Then saute this until golden brown. Add your pork pieces, ghost chilies and salt. Stir it well and open cook it for 25 to 30 minutes on a low flame until the meat is cooked. Once your meat is cooked, increase the flame to the highest and continuously stir it until it becomes golden brown. Finally, add the chili flakes and Sichuan pepper. Give it a quick stir and turn off the heat and let it cool. Then simply transfer it into an airtight jar and you can gorge on this delicious pork pickle for a couple of weeks. Here is our pickle. The aroma from the pickle is mouth-watering. The meat is perfectly cooked and the heat from the chilies and pepper gives it a delectable kick while being beautifully flavored by ginger and garlic. So if you are away from home and miss it, go ahead and prepare and let me know how it turns out. Also, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Until then, see you soon.